Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable sound playing when you are pressing caps lock, NumLock or ScrollLock button from your keyboard. At that time, if you are hearing one beep sound like this, if you want to disable this, so you can try this easy and simple method. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open these settings. In these settings, go to accessibility option like this, and in the right panel scroll down and find out keyboard like this. Okay, and here you can get the option toggle keys. Just need to disable this option, that's it. Okay, so when you press the caps lock or NumLock or ScrollLock on your keyboard, now you don't hear any sound from your keyboard. So from here you can easily able to disable this. Okay, so that's all today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.